If you can hear your locks, if they sound really crunchy when you touch them, you might need some moisture. Greetings, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. I come before you today with some confessions to make about my locks. It has been almost 5 years. I'm actually 2 months away from 5 years. And there are a few things that I have done with my locks that I would not recommend anybody else do. In general, I'm always looking to grow and improve myself, enhance myself. It's a new year. So let's go ahead and get started. First mistake I made was attempting to interlock my hair and making a hole. So I have palm rolled my locks ever since I started them, except for this one time in 2017. Just on a whim, I started looking at interlocking videos and I said, well, why not just try it? So I took one of the locks on the side and I started to do the north, south, east, west thing, and I thought I had it down. Apparently I didn't. And I ended up making a hole. Fortunately, it has sealed up with the palm rolling that I've been doing over the past, I guess, year and a half. And I've just decided that for me, palm rolling is the way to go. I just like the cylindrical look that I get from it. Number 2, and I actually made a video about this, but creating weak spots in my locks from removing lint. I did a deep cleanse and some lint came up at the points where my starter locks were. So the starter locks were like right here, about maybe 2 inches or so from the ends. And I guess that just shows that the products that I was using in the very beginning, maybe even the first product that was put on my locks, when I got them done, maybe it wasn't the best for my hair in terms of being able to wash it out. And I ended up just cutting a lot of the locks. I can't be mad at that because I could have tried to sew them back and I didn't. I just decided to cut them because I didn't feel like being bothered. It kind of sucks because I'm gonna be hitting my 5-year anniversary, as I mentioned, and some of the locks are not gonna be as long as they would have been. I don't want to value length over health and over like neatness, the cleanliness of it. So that's a loss I have to take, unfortunately. Number 3, not deep cleansing for 4 years. I was shampooing every 2 to 3 weeks. I just never really thought about deep cleansing my hair for some reason. Why? I don't know. I can't really tell you. In April 2018, I finally decided to go ahead and do the deep cleanse. So the water was very murky and it was kind of embarrassing to see that much stuff, that much residue, dirt, whatever was in my locks. They felt so fresh afterwards. I resolved that I would deep cleanse my locks every 6 months or so. That was April 2018, it's January 2019. So I already missed that, but I'm gonna do it soon and I'm going to do a video on that. So stay tuned for that. Number 4, and this is a big one for me, not moisturizing my locks consistently. I was really bad about moisturizing my locks, especially during years 2 and 3. When I would wear curls or braid out, I didn't want the style to fall. But that's really not the best way to go about it. Your hair needs moisture. If you can hear your locks, if they sound really crunchy when you touch them, you might need some moisture. So what I do now is I wet my hands and I put a little bit of olive oil on it, or I'll use my the Carol's Daughter oil spray that I have. When my curls are down, I would just kind of scrunch the moisture into my hair. So, you know, you live and you learn. Hindsight is 20/20. And my last confession is not washing enough for my dandruff. I do try to wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. Honestly, it should be once a week, but I don't want to wash my locks too often. I'm at the point now where if I wash my hair, I have to retwist it. I don't have to have an extra tight retwist after each shampoo, but I do have to do something to keep my roots managed. The sucky part is that dandruff shampoos are not really effective for me because I just can't use them that often. I've just kind of decided that it's something I'm going to deal with because I'm not going to wash my hair once a week. I'm just not. My hair is going to be extra dry after that. That's just too much of an opportunity for tangling. On the spectrum between perfectly manicured and freeform, I'm kind of like over here. I'm not like all the way over here where I need my locks to be perfectly manicured, but I don't want to be freeform. I don't even really want to be semi-freeform. You just gotta know what you like and you gotta know what you can deal with. So those are my confessions in this new year and going into year 5 of my lock journey. I really do want to do some things differently, especially moisturizing. Hopefully I don't have to deal with the lint removal issue again, but you just never know. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know some mistakes that you've made on your journey as well. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching.